Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to customize Google Chrome homepage in Android. Here are the steps to customize the Google Chrome homepage on Android. First, unlock your Android phone. Swipe up or enter your PIN or pattern to access the home screen. Open the Google Chrome app. Tap the Chrome icon from your app drawer or home screen. Tap the three-dot menu, located at the top right corner of the Chrome browser. Select Settings. This opens Chrome's customization options. Scroll and tap Homepage. This controls what page opens when you tap the home icon. Toggle the homepage switch on. If it's off, slide the switch to enable the homepage option. Tap Open this page. Go to Open this page section. Enter your desired URL. For example, google.com or any favorite site. Tap Save or Go Back. The URL is saved automatically once you enter it. Return to the main Chrome screen. Press the back arrow, then tap on back arrow again to go back to the browser. Tap the home icon. It's located to the left of the address bar. It will now take you to your new homepage. Tap plus, add shortcut if visible. Add your favorite websites manually as tiles. Change wallpaper optional. On the new tab page, tap the pencil icon at the bottom to select a custom background if supported. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.